Welcome to our channel. So today we are unboxing a really cool new toy. Oh my god, I'm so excited for you guys to see this. I ordered it on Amazon and it's finally here. Oh, so cool. So this is the robot vacuum that we got to help us keep up a little bit in between cleanings for the husky fur. Because yes, huskies shed a lot. So this is the Eufy Robot Vacuum, and one of the really cool things about it is from the reviews I was reading online, because yes, we watch reviews as well, it is really good for pet fur, and it does it does the best job on hardwood floors. And since we don't have that much carpet in our house, this was the best pick for us. Okay, so I plugged in the vacuum. It's been charging for a little bit. Got lots of clearance, just like it said you needed. So let's see what this will do. Oh my god, this totally reminds me of the episode on Gilmore Girls where Rory and Lorelai just watch the robot vacuum move around each other's houses. So exactly what I am doing. Oh my god, I got the fur! One piece down, only, a million more to go. I'm really interested to see how all the pets are going to react to this vacuum, whether they're going to be terrified or not. Yes, it got some dog hair. Tinky is not scared of the vacuum, so hopefully she's not scared of this. What is it? Oh, Luna's checking out the new vacuum. No interest? What do you think, Sawyer? You like our new vacuum? Luna, you're not interested? No? No thoughts on it? So in awe of this vacuum. Except for it keeps wanting to do the carpets, and the carpets will not be done. Link's curious, but he doesn't know what it is. So far, I'm pretty happy with how it's cleaning. It doesn't really get rid of my vacuum. It doesn't mean I don't vacuum at all, but it's definitely going to make things a little bit easier. It's really picking up that fur. Link is so fascinated by this thing, but he doesn't know whether to be scared or go play with it. What are you doing? He is watching the vacuum. Leave him alone.
Okay, this has been running for about 30 minutes. Let's see what we got. I don't know how to clean this. So that's the brush. I'm assuming this pops off somehow. We're gonna figure it out. Okay, I figured it out. Pull this. And open. And it got a lot of stuff. So far so good. That was all on the brush, but yeah, works really well. I really like it.
And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We will see you again next week.